Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best sliding couch tables is probably one of the most sought-after furniture pieces from modern living spaces, offering a perfect blend of style, functionality, and space-saving design. In this video, we will explore the top-rated sliding couch tables on the market, examining their features, durability, aesthetics, and overall value to help you choose the perfect one for your home. We will also cover important factors to consider before making a purchase, ensuring you find a table that seamlessly integrates with your lifestyle and interior design. Number 5. TableMate XL TV Tray. It's the ultimate space-saving solution for your home. This versatile tray table offers a large surface area perfect for dining, working, or relaxing. With its spacious top, it easily holds up to 40 pounds. Enjoy extra space for your laptop, meals, or hobbies. No tools are needed. Simply slide the legs together, insert the rod, and attach the tray. Folding and storing it away is just as easy. It offers 6 different heights and 4 convenient angles. Find the perfect position for comfortable working, eating, or reading. Use it as a laptop stand, a breakfast tray, a camping table, or even a game table. It adapts to any situation. The L-shaped legs slide smoothly under furniture without any obstructions. It's lightweight and easy to move around. What we like? It has a large surface area, perfect for various uses. Its adjustable height and angles make it comfortable for any activity. If you need a versatile and easy-to-store table, this is the one for you. What people say? Easy to use and holds weight well. We use it to hold laptops or plates and drinks by our couch. It also folds easily to store on the side of our couch or by the TV stand. The height is adjustable to a comfortable level. The legs slide under the sofa and you have plenty of room for your legs. The height is adjustable from high to very low for children. The top seems to be made of high-impact plastic and is very easy to keep clean. The table's legs are made out of metal piping and can be adjusted to different heights. The table can also have its angle adjusted. Number 4. Adjustable TV Tray Table. It's perfect for home use. Place it on your sofa or bed and use it as a TV dinner tray, a bed table, or even a workstation. It adapts to all your needs. Adjust its height from 21.53 to 28.74 inches and tilt it to find the most comfortable position. Watch movies or work without straining your neck or back. The additional base rod provides extra stability. It measures 20.47 inches wide by 15.5 inches deep. Remove the rod to fold it easily. Assemble it in just 5 minutes. After use, fold it compactly and store it away. It won't take up much space. If it's not level after assembly, simply remove the tilt bar, reassemble it in reverse, and it will be perfectly flat. What we like? This tray table is easily adjustable to suit your needs. It's perfect for various uses, from dining to working. If you are looking for a comfortable and adaptable table, this is the perfect choice. What people say? This multipurpose tray table is a must-have for anyone looking to add convenience for their TV watching experience. Whether you need a TV dinner tray, a snack station, or even a temporary workspace, this table has got you covered. With adjustable options ranging from 20.8 to 28 in height, this table can accommodate even the tallest of couch potatoes. Plus, it offers 3 tilt positions, so you can find the perfect angle to prevent neck cramps while binge watching your favorite shows. It comes with a hex tool for the screws. This tabletop can fit my pasta plate, salad plate, dessert plate, and a glass for my drink without feeling like it takes up a lot of space in my living room. There is a retractable cup holder on the side to pull out for use, or when not in use, push back in and it's concealed under the table. Number 3. WLIVE C-shaped side table. It's the perfect addition to any living room or bedroom. Use it as an end table, couch table, or even a bedside table. It fits just about anywhere. Its unique C-shaped design makes it easy to slide it close to your couch or bed. Enjoy your coffee, snacks, or laptop comfortably. With a large tabletop, it offers plenty of space for your laptop, drinks, and more. It's perfect for working, relaxing, or enjoying a meal. The sturdy steel frame ensures stability and durability. It can hold up to 50 pounds, so you can use it with confidence. It's quick and easy to assemble. With numbered parts and clear instructions, you can have it set up in just 15 minutes. The adjustable feet keep it stable on uneven surfaces, protecting your floors at the same time. It's designed for convenience and durability. We're here to help. If you have any questions, contact us, and we'll get back to you within 24 hours. What we like? Its C-shaped design allows it to slide perfectly under your couch. It's also very sturdy and easy to assemble. If you need a space-saving and durable side table, this is a great option. What people say? It is easy to put together, easy to move, light but very sturdy, perfect couch-sized. This was so convenient and easy to use when serving him his food, etc., and keeping things close within his reach. Size is perfect, sturdy, height does not adjust, so check measurements for your needs. Good quality for the money. Number 2. SRIWATANA C-shaped side table. This stylish and functional side table is perfect for any living room. Its unique C-shaped design allows it to slide seamlessly under your sofa, saving valuable space. It features a handy side pocket, ideal for storing magazines, remotes, or snacks, keeping everything within easy reach while you relax on the couch. With its matte black frame and rich wood grain finish, it adds a touch of vintage elegance to your home decor. It complements a variety of furniture styles. Use it as an end table, laptop stand, snack table, or coffee table. It's incredibly versatile and adapts to your needs. Enjoy your coffee, a book, or a meal while comfortably seated. It's built to last with a sturdy iron frame and a durable wood top. Plus, it comes with easy-to-follow instructions and all the necessary hardware for quick assembly. Protective feet prevent scratches on your floors, and adjustable features ensure stability even on uneven surfaces. What we like? It offers extra storage with its convenient side pocket. Its vintage style adds a touch of elegance to your space. If you value style, storage, and durability, this is the table for you. What people say? The table is very sturdy and the color goes great next to my chair. It moves easily around if I choose to move it. I got the one with the casters. It is very sturdy and no fear of it holding these items and more. The casters work great and it has plenty of room on top. This table is perfect for my large sectional. It is also quite sturdy and really nice design. Putting it together was a breeze. It's cute, sturdy, and a good value for the price. Once I had the parts separated and watched the video several times, assembly took 15 minutes. Now that I know how to assemble, without instructions, I've ordered another table. Number 1. VASAGLE C-shaped end table. Its slim and compact design makes it perfect for small spaces. It easily fits between couches or beside your bed without overwhelming the room. Putting it together is a breeze. The numbered parts and clear instructions make assembly effortless. Its unique C-shape hugs your sofa or bed. This allows for convenient access to storage or a workspace. It's the perfect size for a laptop, a small dining table, or just a handy occasional table. Use it anywhere you need extra surface space. This side table is built to last. The sturdy steel frame and high-quality particle board ensure years of reliable use. It features a stylish rustic brown and black finish that complements any decor. It will add a touch of modern style to your home. What we like? This slim and compact table fits perfectly into small spaces. It's incredibly easy to assemble and built to last. If you're looking for a durable and easy to assemble side table that doesn't take up much space, this is a great choice. What people say? It was easy to assemble. I use it next to a love seat, but it can be pulled up over the cushions also. They were extremely easy to put together, no extra tools needed besides the included Allen wrench, and they are so sturdy. I wasn't expecting how heavy they would be. They're much more stable than the old tables, they have a sleek design, and they're heavy duty. My pets can't knock into them and cause drinks to fall like with the old tables, and I really like how they can be shoved under the couch so they're not sitting out in the room when not being used. Easy to assemble. Sturdy construction. Love how practical and versatile this end table is. I can set it alongside my couch like a regular end table. Or I can move it to the front of my couch and put my laptop or phone or drink on there while my legs slide underneath. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.